Scotland past and present, stories shaped by land, by people, and by time. Born on the shores of the town of Cullen, Cullen Skink is Scotland's most comforting bowl of tradition. Smoked haddock, potatoes and cream come together in a rich, velvety broth that carries the scent of the sea. Once a humble fisherman's staple, it's now a beloved classic, a taste of the northeast, warming the soul with every spoonful. Scotch broth is Scotland's winter comfort in a bowl, a slow, simmered blend of barley, root vegetables and tender lamb. It's the kind of hearty fare that once fueled crofters through long, cold seasons, rich with the scent of home and hearth. More than a soup, it's a tradition, a reminder of simple ingredients crafted with care. Haggis is Scotland's most iconic dish, a hearty blend of sheep's offal, heart, liver, lungs, mixed with oatmeal, onions, suet and spices, traditionally encased in a sheep's stomach, served with neeps, mashed turnip and tatties, mashed potato. It's been celebrated for centuries, from clan feasts to Burns night tables lit by candlelight. Rich, warming and unmistakably Scottish, haggis isn't just food, it's a taste of tradition, carried proudly through generations. Born in the fishing town of Arbroath, the Arbroath Smokie is a Scottish classic. Haddock salted, tied in pairs, and smoked over hardwood fires until the flesh turns golden and fragrant. It's a craft passed down through generations, carrying the taste of sea air and open flames. Simple, rustic, and unmistakably Scottish, a flavour shaped by the coast itself. The Lorne Sausage, square, hearty, and unmistakably Scottish. Born in the butcher's shops of the Lowlands, it became the backbone of the full Scottish breakfast, fried to a crisp edge and packed with peppery flavour. Simple, comforting, and proudly unfancy, it's the taste of busy mornings, family kitchens, and Scotland's love of honest food. Golden, crisp, and unmistakably Scottish, the Scotch Pie is a humble icon of our food culture. Once fuel for workers and travellers, it's now a favourite at football grounds and family tables alike. With its peppery mince and buttery shell, it's comfort wrapped in tradition. A small pie with a big place in Scotland's heart. Stovies are Scotland's ultimate comfort food, a hearty mix of potatoes, onions and leftover meat, slow cooked until soft, rich and full of flavour. Born in farmhouse kitchens and shared at family tables, every region has its own way, every household its own secret twist. Simple, warming and unmistakably Scottish. Stovies are tradition served by the spoonful. Oatcakes are Scotland's oldest everyday staple, simple rounds of oats, salt and water, baked crisp on a griddle. Once carried by crofters and travellers for strength on the road, they're now enjoyed with cheese, soup or a touch of honey. Rustic, wholesome and unmistakably Scottish. Oatcakes are a taste of our past that still feels right at home today. Tattie Scones are Scotland's humble breakfast hero, soft, golden and made from simple mashed potatoes, flour and butter, pressed thin and fried on a hot griddle. Once a thrifty way to stretch leftovers, they've become a staple on the full Scottish plate. Comforting, familiar and proudly homemade, a taste of everyday Scotland served warm from the pan. Scotch Pancakes, or drop scones, are a sweet taste of childhood in Scotland. Soft, fluffy and cooked on a hot griddle, they were once made for tea-time treats and family gatherings. Whether topped with butter, jam or a drizzle of syrup, they carry the warmth of home, a simple pleasure that's been loved for generations. Shortbread is Scotland's sweetest tradition, a simple blend of butter, sugar and flour, crafted into a crumbly golden treat. Once reserved for celebrations and hogmanay feasts, it's now a symbol of Scottish hospitality, shared with visitors from near and far. Rich, delicate and timeless, shortbread is Scotland in every bite. Cranachan is Scotland's celebration in a glass, a sweet blend of toasted oats, fresh raspberries, honey and smooth whisky cream. Once a simple harvest dish, it's become a favourite at gatherings and ceilidhs across the country. Light, rich and proudly Scottish, Cranachan is a taste of summer and a toast to tradition. Dundee Cake is Scotland's classic fruit cake, rich with sultanas, candied peel and topped with its signature ring of almonds. First crafted in the city of Dundee, it became a favourite at tea times and celebrations across the country. Buttery, fragrant, and proudly Scottish, Dundee Cake is a slice of tradition that stood the test of time. Scottish tablet is sweetness with a Scottish soul, a crumbly, melt-in-the-mouth treat made from sugar, butter and condensed milk, slowly boiled to perfection. Once crafted in farmhouse kitchens and passed around at celebrations, it's a taste of pure nostalgia, rich, grainy and unmistakably Scottish. Tablet is a little square of happiness from generations past. Its most famous export, Scotch whisky, is Scotland's spirit of time and tradition, barley, pure water, and patience transformed into liquid gold. From the smoky malts of Islay to the smooth Highlands drams, every drop carries the character of its land. A craft honed over centuries, it's more than a drink. It's Scotland in a glass, warming the soul with every sip. Irn Bru is Scotland's other national drink, bold, bright and bursting with that unmistakable fizz. Born in 1901, it's fueled generations with its sweet, sharp flavour and legendary orange glow. From builders' flasks to family fridges, it's a symbol of Scottish spirit, the drink that keeps the nation going, come rain, shine, or anything in between. And what does it taste like? Well, Irn Bru, of course. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss our next video, and thank you for watching.